Welcome back to Cruiser Motorcycles. Thank you for waiting for this video. Today, we have 10 new adventure touring motorcycles for 2025 priced over $20,000 US. 1. 2025 Kawasaki Versys 1000 LT Plus. MSRP $21,500 US. Kawasaki's Versys 1000 LT Plus continues to impress in 2025 with its combination of long-distance touring comfort and impressive off-road capabilities. The 1043 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine delivers smooth power, while the electronically adjustable suspension ensures a stable ride on varied surfaces. Advanced electronics, such as traction control and multiple ride modes, make the Versys 1000 SE a versatile option for adventure riders. Key features: electronically adjustable suspension, TFT display with smartphone connectivity, comprehensive ride modes and traction control. 2. 2025 Yamaha Super Tenere ES. MSRP $21,500 US. The Super Tenere ES is designed for serious adventurers who seek both comfort and durability. Its 1,199 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine offers plenty of grunt for off-road trails, while the electronically adjustable suspension adapts to different conditions. The 2025 model remains a solid performer for long-distance touring, featuring cruise control, traction control, and advanced ride modes for added versatility. Key features: electronically adjustable suspension, advanced ride modes and cruise control, 1,199 cubic centimeters parallel twin for smooth touring. 3. 2025 Suzuki V-Strom 1050 XT. MSRP $22,000 US. The Suzuki V-Strom 1050 XT remains a great option for adventure riders looking for a balance between off-road capability and road comfort. With its 1,037 cubic centimeters V-twin engine, this bike offers plenty of low-end torque for trail adventures, while its robust suspension and ride modes make it a joy on both paved and unpaved roads. The XT version adds advanced features like crash bars and off-road-ready tires. Key features: traction control and ride modes, strong 1,037 cubic centimeters V-twin engine, excellent off-road capabilities with crash bars. 4. 2025 Harley-Davidson Pan America 1250 Special. MSRP $23,000 US. The Harley-Davidson Pan America 1250 Special is one of the most exciting new entries into the adventure touring market, combining American-made durability with advanced technology. Its 1,252 cubic centimeters V-twin engine provides excellent power, while its semi-active suspension adapts to varying terrains. The Pan America Special features advanced ride modes, adaptive ride height, and a comprehensive infotainment system to keep riders comfortable on long journeys. Key features: semi-active suspension, adaptive ride height, advanced infotainment system and ride modes. 5. 2025 KTM 1290 Super Adventure R. MSRP $23,000 US. KTM's 1290 Super Adventure R continues to be a leader in the adventure touring segment, known for its off-road prowess and powerful engine. The 1,301 cubic centimeters V-twin engine offers exceptional performance, and the bike's fully adjustable WP suspension provides superior handling in both on and off-road conditions. With features like traction control, cornering ABS, and an intuitive TFT display, the 1290 Super Adventure R is a formidable machine for the most demanding riders. Key features: 1,301 cubic centimeters V-twin engine for superior power, WP suspension with electronic adjustability, advanced electronics like cornering ABS and traction control. 6. 2025 Ducati Multistrada V4S. MSRP $28,305. The Ducati Multistrada V4S is the epitome of Italian engineering for 2025. Its 1,158 cubic centimeters V4 engine is both powerful and smooth, delivering an exhilarating ride on any terrain. The V4S model offers the latest in electronics, including adaptive cruise control, cornering ABS, and a full suite of ride modes. The bike's high-end suspension and top-notch comfort features make it a premium option for long-distance riders. Key features: 1,158 cubic centimeters V4 engine, adaptive cruise control and cornering ABS, high-performance suspension and advanced ride modes. Seven. 2025 BMW R1300 GS Adventure. MSRP $30,500. The BMW R1300 GS Adventure returns for 2025 with a fresh design and a new 1,300 cubic centimeters boxer engine that enhances power and efficiency. The bike comes packed with high-tech features, such as a TFT display, adaptive suspension, and ride modes tailored for various terrains. Whether you're hitting the trails or cruising the highways, the R1300 GS is built to perform with unrivaled comfort and reliability. Key features: 1,300 cubic centimeters boxer engine, adaptive suspension and electronic ride modes, premium features for long-distance touring. 8. 2025 Honda Africa Twin Adventure Sports ES-DCT. MSRP $22,000. The Honda Africa Twin Adventure Sports ES-DCT is a favorite among adventure riders, offering a smooth 1,084 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine and Honda's dual clutch transmission (DCT) for seamless shifting. The Adventure Sports version includes features like electronic suspension, heated grips, and a larger fuel tank for extended trips. The 2025 model is optimized for both comfort and off-road performance, making it a versatile option for all types of adventures. Key features: 1,084 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine with DCT, electronic suspension and advanced ride modes, enhanced touring comfort with heated grips. 9. 2025 Triumph Tiger 1200 GT Pro. MSRP $21,895. The Triumph Tiger 1200 GT Pro is a refined adventure bike for 2025, offering a balance of comfort and performance. Its 1,160 cubic centimeters triple engine provides smooth power delivery, while the bike's advanced suspension and ride modes offer superior comfort on long rides. The GT Pro model adds premium features like heated grips, a quick shifter, and a top-tier infotainment system, making it perfect for riders who want luxury on their adventures. Key features: 1,160 cubic centimeters triple engine for smooth power, premium features like a quick shifter and heated grips, advanced suspension for superior comfort. 10. 2025 Harley-Davidson CVO Pan America. MSRP $30,000. The 2025 CVO Pan America takes Harley-Davidson's adventure bike to the next level with enhanced luxury features and cutting-edge technology. Powered by the 1,252 cubic centimeters V-twin engine, the CVO Pan America comes with semi-active suspension, adaptive ride height, and a premium infotainment system. The upgraded design also includes exclusive finishes and enhanced comfort features for a first-class touring experience. Key features: exclusive CVO finishes and luxury features. 1,252 cubic centimeters V-twin engine with semi-active suspension. Premium infotainment system for long rides.